Delay does not mean God has failed. Ayan, gusto ko ding i-emphasize to. Consider these people. Abraham waited 25 years for Isaac. Joseph waited many years before becoming governor. David waited years after being anointed before becoming a king. So, none of them stopped believing. Hindi ibig sabihin, kapatid, medyo na-delay ng konti doon sa ina-expect mo, it means tumigil lang Diyos. Hello po? Biro mo si Abraham, nangako ang Diyos sa kanya nung 75 siya, na magkakaanak siya. Kailan nangyari? Nung 100 na siya, doon lumitaw si Isaac. So, they waited for how many years? 25 years silang naghihintay kay Isaac. Si Joseph, bago naging governor ng Egypt, grabe pinagdaanan niya. He went to slavery for how many years? Did you know that Joseph was slave first when he was 17? At naging governor siya ng Egypt when he was 33. Imagine yung waiting years. Si David, after niyang ma-anoint na next king, hindi naman siya agad naging hari. So he was waited for how many years before he was prone to become a king? Itong mga to, they waited for years. Ikaw, 1 buwan lang, 1 linggo lang, di ka makapaghintay. Amen po ba? Hindi ibig sabihin delay, kapatid. Ibig sabihin walang nangyayari. Alam mo kapatid, God often prepares the person before releasing the promise. Before the promise will be released, the question is, kapatid, tanong mo sa sarili mo, are you ready? When nothing seems to happen, anong din sabi dito? Do not stop praying. Do not stop obeying. Do not replace trust with frustration. Continue walking faithfully until God's timing becomes clear. Pagsabi sa atin mo, huwag kang magmamadali. Wait for God's timing. Timing talaga. You know, God is not advanced. God is not delayed. He's always on time. You thought it is delay because of your need, but you know it's not. It's always God. God is always on time. Amen po ba? Amen.